In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to schedule and invite a guest to your YouTube live, right, using your mobile phone. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. You're welcome to Grow Better. In this channel, we teach people how to build, grow the social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're new on this channel, I will urge you to subscribe and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. Going live on YouTube helps you to engage with your audience, right? And also is an avenue for them to ask you some questions which they might be looking forward to ask you, and you get to answer them right on that live. So when you constantly go live on YouTube, it helps to build a kind of connection between you and your audience, right? So in this video, I'll be sharing how you can actually schedule your live stream and also how to invite a guest. What I mean by scheduling your live stream is that maybe, for instance, you want to go live on Sunday and today is Friday, right? You can actually schedule that your live today. And the advantage of you scheduling your live is that when you schedule your live and put a thumbnail and everything, your audience will get to see that you are going live so date, and they get to join the live and wait for the day that you are going the live. So scheduling live actually helps a lot, and adding a guest, actually means like adding somebody. In case maybe you want to interview somebody on your live, you get to add the person will be on the live with you. You get to ask the person question or have a kind of discussion. So many people actually use it also as a kind of podcast. So I'm going to be taking you guys to the other side of the screen. Let me show you guys exactly how to go live on YouTube and also how to schedule this live and add a guest to the live, right? So but before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? So see you guys in the other side of the screen. So guys, if you want to go live on YouTube, what you need to do is firstly you need to open your YouTube, right? So let's allow it to load. So when you open your YouTube, you don't need to see this cross right down here. You don't need to tap on this cross. So when you tap on this cross, and now it's loading. You can see me right here. So what you need to do next is for you to, if you've not gone live before, right? Basically, it should be on this video. So you just need to scroll through this short, then you will see live, then select live. So once you select live and you're here, right, the best thing you need to do first is for you to do some kind of setup, right? So the setup you need to do is for you to come and click on this pencil right here. You can see this pencil. When you tap on it, right, then you get to see the title, the title of your live. You can actually say put Facebook monetization question and answer. Question and answer, right? So you can put any title you want, and you can see this visibility. You can just tap on visibility and put it on public if you want everybody to see it. And if you are monetized and you have members and you just want the live to be for your members only, you don't need to select member. So and if you actually don't want this live to be for anybody except the people you give your link. For instance, if you want to do something like master class, or you want a class, you want to do a kind of live class where people registered for, you have few people that registered for that class, you just want to do it for them, you click on this unlisted. Then when it was the person pay, you can just send the person the link so that the person will be able to join you the time you want to go the live. So once you have selected the particular audience you need, they just need to go back, and once you go back, then the next thing you need to do is for you to come right here. You can see where they say go live together. This is the place you can actually add your guests. You can see they wrote it up there, invite guests. You just need to tap on it right here. So for you to be able to invite your guests, you just need to select it. And the next thing you need to do right here is to add description. You can just type any description that describe the kind of life you want to go, right? Then after that, the next thing is for you to add location. If you want to add your location, you just need to search your location. You can put Nigeria, anywhere, just put the location you want, right? But this time I don't need to put the location. So after location, the next thing is for you to schedule. For you to schedule this, you just need to click on this schedule, to select it. Then once you select it like this, then just tap inside it like this for you to be able to actually put the date you want to schedule. Select the date. So if you select the date, you just click OK. The next thing is the time for the distance. So you can just select the time you want. If it's 6 o'clock, if it's 7 o'clock, anytime. If it's AM or PM, just select a PM or AM, then just click OK. And the next thing, you can actually visit these advanced settings for you to actually set up some things. So this advanced setting, if you want allow chat, so that when you are live, so that people can actually comment, you just need to allow it. The other one is allow reaction. Reaction is likes. If you want people to be liking your live when you are live, you just need to make sure that it's selected, is allowed. The next one is this video contain a paid advert. In case if you're monetized and in the video, live video, you are going to do a kind of advert, you just need to select that you are going to do advert, right? So if you're monetized, all you need to do is to enable your monetization. Just tap on enable your monetization, it will enable, right? So after you've selected all this one, you don't need to go back, right? And the next thing is for you to click on next. And once you click on next, they will ask you the select audience. Is this video made for kids, right? You can just tell them no, it's not made for kids. Then click on next, right? Then allow it to load, right? So after it's loaded, right, here you can see this pencil up here is where you can actually click to edit your thumbnail. You can just come and upload your thumbnail by selecting any thumbnail that you feel like. Just click on save. So I'm just using this particular thumbnail for this practice. You can see the thumbnail has been updated, right? So after doing that, the next thing you need to do is for you to actually copy this link right here. So once you copy this link is link you are going to be sending to your guest that is going to join you in the live, right? So once you tap on it, then you send it to the guest. Then you just click on this next, right? Once you click on next, you can see right here. So I'm going to be going out from here, to send the link to the person that I want to join me, so that I'll now come back and finalize. And I can come. So when you come back to life like this, you can see, when you look up there, you can see that particular notification that there is actually showing you that you have a live that you scheduled. So that's where you schedule the live. So what you need to do if you want to rejoin the live, you just need to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you get to select it. Once you select it like this, you get to, if you want to go live now, right, you can actually go live now. When you reach the time, maybe you want to go live, you just need to tap on it and go live now. If you don't yet want to go live, just click on done and you get to go out from there. So if I just click on this go live right here, so as you can see, my guest has already accepted. So all I just need to do is to add my guest, right? So I'll be waiting for my guest now to join. You can see my guest has joined, right? Very simple. So all I just need to do is to click on that go live right here. Once I tap on the go live now, you will see the live will start. You can see the live has started right now, so anybody can now see me and my guest, right? They can now react. So for instance, I want to remove my guest right now. All I just need to do is to click on this icon right here. Once I click on the icon, you can see remove right there. I just need to click on remove and remove my guest, and I can just finalize the live all alone by myself. So in case I want to end this live, I just need to click on that X right there. You can see the S over there. Tap on it, I click on end, and you can see my life has ended. So thank you all for watching, and see you in the other side of the screen. You're welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And if this is your first time in this channel, I would urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them, right? And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.